If you want realistic drawings, proportion is everything. A grid helps you keep your sharp and accurate, so no guessing, no stretching, no mistakes. Even beginners can draw like pros using a simple 2 cm grid. Step number 1. Paper and margins. Take your A4 sheet 21 by 29.7 cm. We leave a tiny margin 5 mm on the left and the right, and 8.5 mm on the top and the bottom. We use millimeter for the top margin because 0.85 cm is hard to measure exactly on most rulers. These margins help the grid look perfect, centered on the paper. Step number 2. Mark the width. The short side is 21 cm. Start marking 2 cm from the left margin, then continue marking up to 20 cm. That's 10 boxes across, leaving a tiny space on the right. That's fine. Visually it's balanced. Step number 3. Mark the height. The long side is 29.7 cm. Start marking 2 cm from the top margin, then continue marking up to 28 cm. That's 40 boxes, leaving a small space at the bottom. Also fine. Step number 4. Draw the grid. Take a ruler and connect the vertical marks from top to bottom, and these are your vertical lines. Then connect the horizontal marks from left to right. These are your horizontal lines. Boom! You are now have 10 by 40 grid of perfect 2 cm squares, ready for your drawing. Step number 5. Tip for using the grid. Keep your pencil lines light so you can erase later. Always use a ruler for straight lines. When you start sketching inside the grid, your proportions will stay perfect. You can now draw realistic lips, eyes, or any other objects without worrying about size or alignment. Sometimes it's faster to make a grid digitally. Here is how I do it. First, I use the Acropolic image app. I open the image I want to turn into a grid, then go to custom and set the width to 20 and the height to 28, same as A4, so the proportions are exact. Then I save it. Next, I open the Drawing Grid Maker app, choose the saved image, crop if needed, and set horizontal 10 and vertical 50. This automatically creates a perfect grid over the image. Save it, and now you have a digital grid ready to trace or plan your drawing. The goal is the same as the paper grid: accuracy and proportion. Now your drawing will always be accurate and proportional, clean, simple, and easy to follow. If this helped you, like, subscribe and follow for more art tricks that make your drawing go from good to amazing.